Do you have these items in your closet? Well, did you know that they're outdated in fall 2024? Hey everybody, it's Cathy and welcome back to the channel. And I thought today that we could look at the top 10 fall trends that are out of style in 2024 and what you can wear instead. I don't follow trends, do you? But I really do enjoy taking a peek at them each season to see what is in and what is out of style. But let me just tell you right from the get-go, I disagree with just about every one of these 10 trends that I'm going to share with you today. I feel that it's really important to wear what makes you feel confident, what makes you feel good about yourself, and say if skinny leg jeans are out but you like wearing them like I do, I'm going to continue to wear them. But let's just have some fun and take a peek at these trends, shall we? Trend number one that is supposedly out are button-up cardigans. I kind of can get this because sometimes a button-up cardigan is just kind of like maybe plain looking, and I think I would update it to look a little more sophisticated and trendy. Is a lady jacket cardigan. They are very nice, they're sophisticated looking, and they come like in so many different colors and styles. But to me, they're not a trend, they're a classic, especially if you were to get one that's say like navy or black, you know, something of a solid color. Red is big for fall, so if you got one in red, I've been eyeing this one on J. Crew, and I think if I can get it on sale, I might give it a try. But it's hard to tell from the photo. To me, it looks like a little bit of a warm red, and if it's a warm red, it's not going to look good on me. But if I can get more of a cool or blue undertone red, I can pull off that red, and I think that it would look great with jeans, you know, dress pants over a nice dress. So yeah, what do you think? Are you a button-up cardigan type of gal, or do you prefer the more sophisticated look of the lady jacket? Let me know in the comments. The second trend that is outdated is a fitted white button-up blouse, and personally I have never really felt comfortable wearing a full button-up blouse. I feel much more comfortable in a pop-over top, sort of like this, or maybe one that, you know, the buttons only go a half or a quarter of the way down and you still have to pop it up over your head. I recently bought this blouse from Spanx and I really do like it, and currently it's available in white and black. I was going to purchase the black, but I thought, no, I mostly wear black. Let's try the white, and it's really a nice look. It's a different look for me. And I feel okay wearing this because it's much shorter in the front and it's longer in the back. And I bought this to style with jeans in the fall, but also I think it's going to be a great shirt to have to wear with like black dress pants or even leggings. There are endless possibilities. But the thing that I like about this blouse is it's not so fitted, and because I'm round on the top, I have an apple body shape, it's just more flattering because then it's not going to be sticking to my shoulders or my arms. And I'm going to be doing a video coming up where how to style like a white blouse, and I'm going to show you different tips and tricks. But for now, if you're looking for a good white blouse, I do recommend this one. And they have a few other different models that are available on their website. But definitely, if I was going to be wearing this, I would style it. I would roll up the sleeves a couple of turns. I would do a front tuck, but then pull it out a little bit. Yes, even though I have a belly, it's just more flattering than if the fabric is just like sitting on top of my belly and kind of bringing attention. I like the way that I wear it, where I just, you know, zhuzh out a little bit in the front. And then, you know, you can also get fancy with a back tuck as well. But we're going to get into that in another video that I'll have coming out in the next couple of weeks. I highly object to number 3, and that is the crossbody bag. You are going to have to pry my crossbody bag out of my hands. I refuse to give it up. That is my favorite type of purse, is a crossbody, because I'm hands-free. I don't have to hold on to a purse. I don't have to worry about setting it down and walking away. It's just so versatile. I love that my purse is on my body. It is secure. I can keep it, you know, where it's safe. And yeah, I can't see how a crossbody bag would ever go out of style. I guess shoulder bags are more in, but that's not going to work for me because You know, I have big biceps, I have big round shoulders and big boobs. So a shoulder bag is very, very uncomfortable, and personally on myself, I like the look of a crossbody. The fourth trend that is out for fall 2024 are chunky boots or chunky shoes. Remember last year those really big chunky platform type of loafers were in? I never could pull that look off, so, you know, I really don't care about this trend because I'm going to wear my low heel boots or my loafers. It's not going to affect my life too much, because for somebody that is an apple body shape, I would never wear a chunky or a clunky boot intentionally unless it's a specific, say, rocker chick look that I'm going for. Because whenever you have short legs, just wearing like a really heavy, you know, dark, chunky boot with really chunky heels and the bottom of the boot, it's just a little too overwhelming for somebody that is petite. Might look great on somebody that's really, really tall, but yeah, could care less about this trend. I'm just sticking to my my regular shoes and booties for the fall. Oh gosh, I am so glad that this trend is supposedly on its way out, because I would never wear this anyways, and I'm talking about baggy clothes. You know, I'm always preaching about get rid of baggy, oversized clothing. It does not do us a favor, especially if you are short and have an apple shape, because it just makes me look a lot rounder. Instead, I opt for clothes that properly fit my body. You know, like this top, it's not tight, but it kind of just skims over my curves, and I think it fits me well. And it's much more flattering than, say, if I was wearing, you know, a top like this that was 2 sizes too big. I never, ever, ever go with a boxy top or a boxy dress or, you know, too voluminous of anything, because it's just not flattering and it's just too overwhelming. Now, trend number 6, I kind of take offense to this one a little bit. Let me know what you think. They say that white sneakers are out of trend in 2024. I think a white sneaker is not even a trend. It's kind of like a classic staple. They look great with jeans. You can, you know, if you just have some really nice plain white sneakers that are low profile, I like those for traveling. They look great with a dress, and, you know, pop a jean jacket over your dress. That's a really cool, nice fall look. What they're saying is more of like a retro white sneaker. So say like a white sneaker with maybe a navy or a beige line on it or something, just so it's not all white. Personally, that might look okay like with maybe jeans. But if you only could invest in one pair of sneakers, I'm going to invest in just the plain white sneaker, because it's much more versatile and you can use it, you know, year round. If you're enjoying my video and you have not yet subscribed, I really hope you'll consider doing so. It's absolutely free. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and I upload 2 to 3 videos a week. I focus on fashion for women over 50, particularly if you are petite and an apple body shape. I also do some beauty, and I'm doing some weight loss videos as well. So I'd love to have you here as part of the community here at Style with Cathy over 50. Trend number 7, and again, this one is not leaving my closet, and I'm talking about the skinny jean. So they're saying to replace the skinny jean with a wide leg jean, and I understand why they're suggesting a wide leg jean, but let me just tell you my feeling on both. I have a 27-inch inseam. I'm an apple shape, so I carry most of my weight in my midsection. I find that if I wear like a really, like a kick flare jean, it's not flattering. There's just too much fabric at the bottom. So I like a jean that is more of a straight leg or a skinny leg that I can tuck into a boot. But I totally get the thing about the wide leg jean is because it's going to make your body be in proportion, so you create the illusion of a waist. Because ideally the wide leg is probably in line with your shoulder. So if you drew a straight line like down the side of your body, your shoulder and the end of the wide leg jean would be a straight line. So therefore it's creating the illusion of, you know, being slimmer in the midsection. However, there are all different widths of wide leg jeans, and you have to play around with them. For instance, these kick flare jeans, I have them in white, and I bought them again in this navy because I wanted to see what they looked like. And again, I just feel like there's too much fabric at the bottom for me. So yes, I will sometimes wear a wide leg pant. You know, you've seen me in Spanx Air Essentials wide leg pant. My Spanx jumpsuit is a wide leg pant. And all those, yes, they are flattering. But you know, on a day-to-day basis, I just feel much more comfortable in a skinny jean or a tapered leg jean or a straight leg jean. That's just my preference. So weigh in on the comments and let me know. Do you like a skinny leg? And by skinny leg, I mean, you know, not body skimming, not like I look like a sausage stuffed into a jean, but just like a slim leg where there's not too much of a flare. Let us know what you feel about this in the comments. This one I've never really been a fan of anyways, and I'm talking about distressed jeans. They are out this fall. And the distressed jeans that are out are the ones, you know, where basically half of the thigh is missing. I could not pull that look off here in January when it's like -30. So yeah, I like my jeans to have all the fabric in place. But I think just a little slight intentional distressing can be nice. And I'll try and find some examples to show you here. Like just if there's a little, not flesh showing, but it looks like, you know, there's a little bit of a fray on the jean, but there's still fabric there. I think that's good. That can be flattering, you know, for a special look that you're going for. Also, a frayed hem is very on trend this year. And I think that's okay because you can kind of get that distressed look, you know, with your hem, but, you know, your jeans are intact. So yeah, I really could care less about distressed jeans. I'm just gonna wear whatever I feel like wearing and what I think that looks the best on me. Next up is animal print. I'm sorry, but I think animal print is a neutral. It is not a trend, and animal print has been around forever, and I think if done correctly, it can be quite a nice look. I'm not talking about dressing from head to toe, you know, an animal print, like where you're wearing an animal print dress, animal print boots. Like, I think an animal print dress can be nice, but I'd probably go with like a cognac, a brown, or a black boot. I wouldn't go head to toe in animal print. But I think what can be a really nice look where you can, you know, add a little pop of animal print. Say if you're wearing like an all black outfit, you could put on like a pair of loafers in animal print. And by animal print, I don't mean like zebra or, is it cheetah or snakeskin? I'm talking about like animal print, like I'm showing you. Like, I guess it's like a cheetah. Or no, it's a leopard. I get my cats mixed up. Buddy won't be happy about that. But I think that can be really nice. Even, you know, wearing like a monochromatic black look or a tan look, you could pop in, you know, a little scarf with some animal print or even a purse or some earrings or a necklace. It doesn't have to be like a huge, huge thing of animal print. But I think it really is a nice look and can bring like a, you know, a monochromatic look, just bring it to the next level without having to, you know, dress head to toe in leopard print. I'd like to invite you to follow me on the LTK app. It is a free app that you can download onto your phone, either through the Apple Store or the Google Store. I'll put the links below, but it's basically an app where you can follow me or follow your favorite people that you like to watch on YouTube or Instagram, because every day I try to post an outfit of the day. And I've gotten so busy now that my channel is growing, and I'm so thankful for that and for all of you. That I just don't have the time to, like, you know, post an outfit over on YouTube. And by the time I do get to make a video, some of those things may be sold out. So, you know, you can follow me over on LTK, and if you say, like this top, there's a heart, you can click on it. If you're not ready to purchase, you can save it for later. And then the app will tell you, hey, it's on sale. And lots of times I will post if I see a sale on LTK and on Instagram. But like I said, I'm a one-woman show, and my days are full filming and planning content and stuff. So that's just a way that you can see any outfit you might be interested in, you know, first when I first get it before I get time to make a YouTube video. And the next trend that is out for fall is the color pink. We know that pink was everywhere last spring and summer, and even I think last fall pink was a hot trend. You know, I like wearing pink, but I probably wear pink more in the spring and the summer. I like to wear jewel tones. I really like burgundies. I'm getting into greens to reds. I think that the fall is a great time that if you can pull off some nice jewel tones to implement some of them into your wardrobe. And it's just nice to go, you know, with the beautiful fall leaves that are finally starting to change color here, but it's still really hot here. It's going to be 34 Celsius today with the humidity, which is like really hot. So I'll link my trends playlist if you've missed any of the ones for spring and summer of this year, or even if you want to look back at last fall and see what was on trend, you can check them out here. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.